ACH130 had its first flight in 2011 and first delivery in October 2012 after getting EASA and FAA certificates. Nowadays, more than 750 helicopters are sold in 65 countries. Aircraft shows great takeoff weight up to 2.5 tons, 236 km/h cruise speed and maximum range of 643 km or 4 hours 13 minutes non-stop flight. Up to 7 passengers and 1 pilot can accommodate inside the helicopter. This stylish special edition of the ACH130 helicopter comes equipped with a range of 4 interior and exterior designs generated by Aston Martin, which will delight helicopter owners and pilots who appreciate the pleasure of processing and driving high-performance bespoke luxury cars. Available in 4 external liveries with complementary interiors, the helicopters are embellished with Aston Martin signature elements, starting with the iconic Aston Martin wings, which are embossed onto luxury leather features tastefully positioned throughout the cabin.